Hi, good morning. Look at the question. JEE Mains 2026, 21st January Shift 2 problem. So this is the sequence 1 by 15C0 plus 1 by 15C1 multiplied by 1 by 15C1 plus 1 by 15C2 and so on. 1 by 15C12 plus 1 by 15C13 is equal to alpha power 13. In the denominator, you can see 14C0, 14C1, and so on, 14C12. Then 30 alpha is equal to question mark. So this is all products. So that's why we can use pi notation to showing multiplication. And take the dummy variable r value 0 and is up to the minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 13. So take 0 to 13 and it is 1 by here, take n is equal to 15. Okay. So NCR, we can generalize the values 1 by NC r plus 1. So this is, we need to solve the problem. So pi from 0 to 13 and perform LCM, NCR multiplied by NCR plus 1, NCR plus 1 plus NCR. And we know the results that NCR plus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. Okay, we will use this result in the numerator. So that will be equal to pi 0 to 13. In the numerator, it will be N plus 1 CR plus 1 upon NCR into NC R plus 1. Okay. And also, we can write this pi 0 to 13. N plus 1 C R plus 1 means we can write N plus 1 by R plus 1 multiplied by decrease 1 unit from both N and R. So therefore, N plus 1 by R plus 1 multiplied by NCR in the numerator divided by NCR plus 1. So these two things got cancelled. So that is equal to. So this N plus 1 we can write outside because there is no dummy variable. And this factor appeared to the entire 13 terms. So you can write 13 in the top. Okay. For every bracket, we have this N plus 1 factor. So that's why, okay, we take outside. So 0 to 13. Here what left? 1 by R plus 1 multiplied by NC R plus 1. 1 by R plus 1 divided by NCR plus 1. So again, N plus 1 power 13 cyclic multiplication pi from 0 to 13, 1 divided by R plus 1. Again, you can write N by R plus 1 into N minus 1 CR. Here R plus 1 got cancelled. And again, you can take outside this N and it happens to the entire 13 numbers. So N plus 1 whole power 13 divided by N power 13 pi 0 to 13 and it's N minus 1 CR. So now we can substitute the values here. N value I already told you 15. So numerator 15 plus 1. Okay. 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 15 power 13 and the product is N value 15 so that it is 14C0, 14C1 and so on 14C13. So here they are saying this is alpha power 13. So take a look at the question. They are saying here alpha power 13 it is. So alpha value will be alpha power 13. 16 by 15, which implies 30 alpha means 30 times of 16 by 15. 2 times cancel. 32 is the answer of this question, so that you can fill with 32. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.